This is a quick tutorial to show you how you can begin to use Learning Ally, the audiobook collection that we just subscribed to as a district. It's really easy and really helpful, especially for your special ed or ELL students, or anyone really with an IEP or 504 plan. So I'm going to show you really quickly how you log on, because before you start browsing the books for your students, you have to add your students to the app. So what you're going to do first is open the app through ClassLink. ClassLink portal, you're going to select the Learning Ally link right here. And you may have to enter in some information, but eventually it will take you to your dashboard, which is right here. Now the most important links right here are managing students, browsing audiobooks, and managing audiobooks. And so if we click on manage students, this will be how you enter in the students you want to make eligible for Learning Ally. From the Manage Student page, this is where you'll find all the students at Mountain View Los Altos High School District and how to search for them. So you can search by first name, last name, ID, filter by the school or by the grade. And so if I just put in a number here, and have it search. Let's say I want to add this student, so I'm going to click this Add Student here. And now this is important. You have to select the eligibility to make the student eligible for access to these audiobooks. So you have to select the reason here. Most likely it'll probably be one of this last one here, but you can select the other two if that's appropriate. And then once I've saved that, he's eligible, and now any book that I assign to him, he can access to it. Now that you've added your students, you can start to select for books. And so you'll also do that through the dashboard on ClassLink. And this is what that looks like. Okay, so now that I selected my students, I'm going to go up and I'm going to browse audiobooks. And so let's say I want this student to read Born a Crime. So I'm going to search for that. And here's what I want. If there's a video preview, I can preview the text right here. So what I'm going to do is assign to bookshelf. This will make it able for Henry to be able to access it. So I'm going to assign it to my bookshelf, and you'll see here, I want him to have it, and assign books. So now he will have access to this. Now, here are some apps that will allow him to listen to this on any device he wants to, whether that's his computer or his phone. He just needs to download the app in order to do that. What that app looks like is this. And you can see here are the books. And if I click on it, this is what the students will see.
Was convincing people who were the overwhelming majority to turn on each other. Apartheid is what it was. You separate people into groups and make them hate one another so you can run them all.
So you can see the nice part about some of these textbooks is that it highlights the part that's being read to, so students can both read and listen to it, or one or the other, depending on what they want. And there are features here in settings to increase the volume, the speed, and the audio playback, and some of the playback options. There's some options here for adjusting the text as well, and so they can change that. They can go to various chapters here and go to different parts of the book, as well as bookmark certain sections and going to notes and bookmarks here. So there's a lot of way to sort of navigate the book this way. It looks like there's also textbooks here. They're not as good as the fiction books and nonfiction books that are more popular, but if a student really needs support in reading some of these textbooks, they can get it here. I'll just show you the difference here.
Can your procedure be replicated? Procedure 1.
They literally read every part of the text.
10 blocks into an
so let's go to the first chapter.
Unit 1. The nature of life. This page is taken up with a photo showing in the foreground a lake, and in the background a number of trees and some cliffs. And its title is Yosemite National.
So they have someone describing all the images as well as reading the text, and you can judge for yourself how engaged students might be with that. But it could be a valuable resource if they need support with some of these textbooks. If you go back to your dashboard, you can also see how the students are doing in terms of it'll log how long they listened to it, the pages that they read, the days. And so you'll get a lot of data whenever a student listens to the audiobook and keeps track of it. So there's ways that you can kind of also see how long students are engaging with the app. That is a quick overview to get you started and playing around with this. And we will send out more soon.